back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone camera back screen. And in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone camera black screen issue. For that, just make sure your app is refreshed, and for that you can simply go and close this app and then again open this, and it should help you out. And also what you can do is switch camera modes. If you are in photos, head to video and again back to photos, and that should also help you out. And and what you can also do is check permission. For that, go to your settings, and just go back, and then go on privacy and security, and then head straight to camera. And now you need to go in this option about camera and privacy. Sorry guys, sorry. It's not even this one. And then head straight to privacy and security, and there you need to find the camera and make sure you have given and ensure apps have access. And also you can reset all the settings, and for that go to your settings, and let's just go back and then go to general and straight down and go straight to the bottom, and there you will see transfer or reset iPhone. And then we can tap on this reset, and you can reset your phone like this. And also you can ensure that your lens is clean by cleaning your camera with a soft tissue or soft cloth like this, and that should help you out. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.